Right, I'm not a big believer in leaving stuff to print with the camera in front of it all day. Don't know how to do time lapse. My batteries would not last that long anyway. But yeah, give you a glimpse. So believe it or not, this took 24 hours to print. It's a fair size, it really is. But body didn't match up with the bottom half of this medusa. So that's car body fill it. That looks rough. I'm hoping when I get some primer on it, it'll all blend in. Touch wood. Well, to be honest, the car body filler, it's not too bad. I've done worse. I didn't want to make it totally smooth because, I mean, yeah, try and get it blend in a bit better. I will try and get it to blend in a bit better, I mean. But as it is, I'm pretty happy with that.